Basically, magnesium is the medicine or drug, whatever you want to call it, that most doctors and hospitals pretend doesn't exist because they don't prescribe it. I recently heard a story that some doctors are beginning to prescribe it. Almost 2 years ago, I went to 5 cardiologists here in Brazil, and not one mentioned magnesium. Of course, I opened my mouth and, oh yes, that's good for arrhythmias. Well, I wrote a book once. It's a little old, needs updating, but I've integrated it into my new book on natural cardiology. Magnesium is the ultimate heart medicine. Magnesium is also the ultimate diabetic medicine. It's sad and tragic. By pretending it isn't what the excellent and most important necessary medicine that it is. Yes, you can call it a supplement if you just take a little bit. But if you're sick and you have a chronic disease, even acute disease, and you leave out magnesium, then you're overlooking basic, rational medicine. Magnesium is important for every heartbeat. The vast majority of people are magnesium deficient, and it's getting worse every year. Why? Because people on a daily basis are not getting enough magnesium. So the deficiency builds, it accumulates. The blood will steal all the magnesium from the cells because if the level of magnesium drops in the blood, you're going to have a heart attack. So the cells become deficient. And then what does that lead to? That leads to insulin resistance, which leads to higher levels of insulin in the blood. The pancreas has to pump out more insulin to try to force more sugar into the cells where it's needed. And it also increases blood sugar because the sugar is not getting into, the glucose is not getting into the cells. So magnesium is pretty important. And that's an understatement. And it's a crime. It's a medical crime. It's malpractice. It's like you're a mechanic or you're ignoring the oil and not putting oil in your car. You buy a brand new car and go for a revision, and or in the case of medicine, a checkup, and they don't put oil in your car, don't change your oil, and the oil level goes low. Well, that describes modern medicine and its rejection or ignorance of the importance of magnesium. It's also very important in neurological disorders, emotional disorders, because it's known as a neurological mineral. That's why people recommend taking baths at night if they can't sleep, taking a hot magnesium bath. So put it on your list as number one. You want to live a long time? You want to be healthy? Retain health? You want to treat your diabetes? Even treat cancer? Because what kind of crazy person or doctor, which is almost every oncologist, would treat cancer to a magnesium deficient person and give them very toxic drugs, and the body is crippled in their detoxification capacity because of deficiency in magnesium? I hope I'm getting the point across. I became famous in the world for my first book on magnesium, transdermal magnesium therapy, and then I wrote a book on magnesium, the ultimate heart medicine. My diabetes book was full of stuff about magnesium. And then my most recent book also called Unclogging Your Arteries. And you can see my site, my new site on natural cardiology. And of course it shows, and in the book, how important for cardiovascular situations magnesium is. Magnesium is the ultimate heart medicine, but it's not the ultimate vascular medicine. For that, we need to bring in a series of other medicines, especially once your arteries have a lot of plaque and blocked off. Magnesium. And I'll be launching my new site, which is actually a very old site that went into oblivion, but I kept the address, called Magnesium For Life. And by the time I launch this video, that site will be active. Look below for the addresses.
If you want to go deeper with me, follow me on Substack. You can join for free and receive my newsletters and weekly videos, or become a paid subscriber to access all my exclusive content. The link is in the description.